Have you ever turned the key in your ignition and been greeted by an unexpected noise? If so, you're not alone. Many car owners experience strange sounds when starting their vehicles, and while some noises are harmless, others might hint at underlying issues. Let's begin with a common culprit, the piston slap. This occurs when a piston isn't perfectly aligned within its cylinder, often producing a knocking sound. Next up, we have hydraulic valve lifters. When these get old or dirty, they can stick, causing a ticking noise. Worn accessory components like the power steering pump or alternator can also generate noise when starting your car. Main bearings are another potential source of noise. They hold the crankshaft in place, and if they wear down, you might hear thumping or rumbling sounds. Now, let's talk about oil drain back. Loose valves can cause oil to flow backward, creating a knocking noise. Fuel injectors can also be noisy. A malfunctioning injector might cause a loud knock when you start the engine. Lastly, drive belt issues can lead to ticking or squealing sounds. If your belt is worn out, it's time for a replacement. Remember, engines are complex machines and not designed to last forever. After about 150,000 miles, noises can become more noticeable. In summary, while some noises are just part of an aging engine's character, others might need professional attention to ensure safe driving. For more insights and expert advice on maintaining your vehicle, stay tuned to our channel and consider checking out our interview with Hovig Minuchekian.